Hello everybody, my name is Tarek Devkota with the Devkota Law Firm. Here again with another segment where I answer questions specific to topics that people have requested. Recent question that has been posed to us via client is, do I get compensation for lost wages after I suffered a personal injury case? So you have a personal injury case and you are, let's pick an example, in a T-bone car accident. You're on your way to work. You're a painter. You're self-employed or a W-2 employee. It doesn't matter. Someone causes you physical injury, and that physical injury is documented by a physician stating that you are incapable of working, either through your physical therapist, your medical doctor, possibly the emergency room doctor will give you a work excuse. If you have been medically cleared to not work because you have suffered an injury that injury will be exacerbated by working, then that's clearly a claim for lost wages. So the answer to that question is yes. A person who has suffered a personal injury is due lost wages. So how do we document those lost wages? For you to be successful in a lost wages claim, you first, most of all, have to have wages that you would have earned but for the accident or injury. Next, you need to have documentation of that. If you are self-employed, you need to show that you had a dip in income during the time of your injury. If you are an employee at a company, you need to have your employer or an HR department write a letter to your attorney stating that this employee lost this amount of work during this period of time that he was excused from work by his physician. If you've been in a car accident, you've lost wages. If you've had an injury of any type and have lost wages, call me, Tarek Devkota with the Devkota Law Firm. I'll evaluate your case for free, and we'll see if we can get you those lost wages back. You lost a paycheck, I'll get you that money back. Thank you.
For over 21 years, the Devkota Law Firm has represented the vulnerable communities in the Kansas metro area with personal injury, motor vehicle accidents, workers' compensation, medical negligence, and representation in court.